Lesson. Let's learn about cars and more. Cars. Cars are vehicles that we drive on roads. They have wheels and are used by people to travel from one place to another. Examples include sedans, SUV, and convertibles. Bicycles. Bicycles are two-wheeled vehicles that people pedal to move forward. They are great for exercise and short-distance travel. Buses. Buses are big vehicles that carry many people at once. They have lots of seats and are used for public transportation. Trucks. Trucks are large vehicles used to transport goods from one place to another. They often carry things like food, furniture, and construction materials. Motorcycles. Motorcycles are like bikes, but they have engines that help them go faster. They are often used by one or two people for quick trips. You're welcome! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time!